long because I'm just so excited for you guys to see the film that we've worked with. A little bit of explanation lang, pwede naman po mag-explain, Your Honor. It has been 2 years because we decided, the whole team, Viva and Myria, decided that we should take the festival route first for the film to gain recognition and to give the film more premium. So we premiered in Da Nang, Vietnam po, first quarter of the year. And then by November, in competition po ang Out of Order sa Jagran Film Festival sa Mumbai, India. So pupunta rin po tayo doon. And gusto ko po magpasalamat sa lahat po na nandito ngayon, especially sa lahat po nang inimbita namin ng last minute but you said yes. Thank you po. Thank you po for supporting me. Ms. Joy, thank you for this. And sa mga kaibigan po natin sa press, and of course po ang mga co-actors ko sa industriya. Of course, the whole cast, on behalf of the whole cast and the staff and crew of Out of Order, we thank you for your presence today. And this is a very relevant film nowadays. Who would have thought that it would be socially relevant with everything that has been happening in our society as we speak, as I speak now. But sana pong maging takeaway niyong lahat is the truth is never overrated and the truth will always prevail for as long as there are people who keeps on fighting for the truth. So maraming salamat po. Please enjoy the film, and again, Netflix po. Papalabas na po Out of Order, October 2. Thank you so much, guys.
Congratulations once again to Team Out of Order. And this time, let me grab the microphone, Direct Alden, Miss Francine, and let's take your photos. Group photo mo muna.
Pagpunta. Gusto ko lang din magpasalamat sa Heavenly Angels for coming and to my friends also for supporting. Sobrang galing po ng director na katabi po namin, by the way. And bibigay ko na po sa kanya, ang dami niya pong magandang gustong sabihin.
Ay, magkasalita ako? Magkasalita ako dahil ako. Hello po,
This is a reminder to the public that making any copies of the movie Out of Order is a violation of Republic Act number 10088, Anti-Camcording Act of 2010, and is punishable by imprisonment and imposition of fines. Further, creation and sharing of illegal and unauthorized links to the full movie constitute acts violating Republic Act number 8293, Intellectual Property Code, and is likewise punishable by imposition of fines and imprisonment. The producers of Out of Order shall exercise all its rights and available.
Sabi po sa ating lahat, finally, after some time mapapalabas at mapapakita ko na sa inyong lahat yung ginawa po namin pelikula na Out of Order. So, para lang din po sa kaalaman ng iba, the reason why medyo natagalan yung release sa Philippines is because umikot pa siya sa festival. So, nag-premiere kami sa Da Nang, Vietnam. First quarter of the year, and right now by November po, it's also one of the finalists for Jagran Film Festival in Mumbai, India. And I think many more. So far, maraming interested na festivals all over the world nangihingi ang screening for our film. Pero right now, finally, mas excited ako kasi makikita na ito ng mga kababayan ko. I just can't hide my excitement and my appreciation. Real job. Everything that you're going to be able to see sa pelikulang to came from stock knowledge from all the directors I've worked with, from all the actors that I've worked with, and I'm just so grateful na makakapagkwento na naman tayo ng isang storya na napapanahon sa nangyayari ngayon. Without further ado, maraming salamat. I hope you enjoyed the film. This is going to be out 5 days years from now, only on Netflix, October 2 po, Out of Order. Maraming salamat.
Hello po. Sorry. Hindi, syempre, first and foremost, gusto ko magpasalamat kay Chart kasi para sa lahat ng mga LGBT, we are part of this film kasi hindi naman lahat ng serious films merong LGBT na kasali. So Chart, thank you very much for including us sa directorial debut mo. And kaya mga bakla, sabay-sabay natin panoorin October 2!